In this video, we see how the marketing module of Framework360 works, which gives us the ability to send emails and SMS to our lead lists. First, we enter our clients into the client module. We can do this either by adding them manually or by adding them via CSV. In this case, we click on CSV. We take the CSV of our clients and import it into the section. We select the corresponding data and click Start Import. The system will tell us import completed successfully. After entering the clients, we will find them all in the client module. We access the marketing module. First of all, we create a list to segment our clients. We click on Add Type, for example, Clients, and then click on Synchronize Clients. By doing so, we will have the option to either synchronize all the clients, those we just imported, or select based on which parameters to import the clients. We can add them based on the device used. We can add them based on demographic data. For example, if they are male, if they have an address, if they have a phone number, or based on actions they have taken on the site, if they have opened a previous email from us, or if they have clicked on the buttons in the emails they received. In this case, we click Synchronize All and save. By doing so, we will have created our list of customers to whom we will send our marketing campaign. We go to Campaigns, go to Senders, and create a sender. For example, I can write my name and select the email from which I want them to receive the communication. We add a reply to, meaning the contacts will receive an email from the email entered in the first field, but then they can potentially reply to another email. For example, we save and access the campaigns. To create a campaign, we click on Create New Campaign. We can select whether it is a standard campaign or an automation. Automations are actions that the software performs based on the operations carried out by the customers. Let's select, for example, a standard campaign and call it Newsletter Send. We click on Create Campaign. Here, we will have the possibility to add the recipients. We select the list created a short while ago, and we will have the option to send our communication only to the contacts already subscribed. Therefore, only to the 60 clients included in the list, only to future subscribers, meaning all those who will be added later to that list, or to both. In this case, we select both, save, and continue setting up our campaign. When we want to send it, we can choose whether to send it immediately, which is already set, or set a delay for a period of time, or send it on a specific date. Let's send it immediately. We can set a repetition if we want the campaign to start, for example, every hour, every day, every week, every month. We can do that. Let's select every day. We move forward and we'll have the option to send an email or an SMS or both. Let's create, for example, an email. It will be very simple because we will already have the option to enter the email subject and it will be there. The visual builder of Framework360, which will simply allow us to build our campaign. We can choose whether to create a campaign in HTML format thanks to the visual builder or in text version. A text campaign is better viewed by email providers and has a higher chance of ending up in the inbox rather than in spam. Once the campaign is created, we can select the sender we just entered and choose an SMTP server. If we had an external SMTP server to Framework360, we could set it up within the settings under the email server section, creating a new connection, the server, etc. In this case, we use the sender we just created and the Marketing Studio server. We click Next, we can add an attachment. In this case, we don't want to do that, and we save. The last step. Optionally, if we want, we can create an SMS. The title of the message is a message to be sent via SMS. We save. Once the campaign is completed, we can click on Update Status and start it. So create your environment on Framework360 to try this feature and other essential tools for your activity as a digital marketer.